Alrighty, to solve this problem, first of all, the vertical and horizontal components of this football's velocity will be determined using horizontal components of velocity. Time taken by the football to reach the field goal will be calculated. If the height of the football after this time is greater than the height of the crossbar of the field goal, the football will clear it. So first we're going to do a quick sketch of the problem. This is our y-axis. We have our x-axis. Angle theta, initial velocity, height, and the height of y. This figure shows the trajectory of the football kicked at an angle of 30 degrees above the horizontal with the initial speed of v of 0. So angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Alright, to figure out this problem, our horizontal speed of the football is equal to v of x is equal to v of 0 cosine of theta. And then our vertical speed is going to be v of y is equal to v of 0 sine of theta. The time taken to reach the crossbeam or the crossbar of the field goal, time taken, so that's t is equal to x over v of x. So to actually compute that, we would have to say t is equal to x over the v of 0 cosine of theta. And we'll call this equation 1. The vertical height after time is given is figured out by y equals y of 0 plus velocity y times plus 1/2 gravity times squared. Taking y of 0 as 0 and acceleration due to gravity is negative, we will come up with the y equals 0 plus v of 0 sine theta t plus 1/2 squared, and then y is equal to v of 0 t sine of theta minus 1/2 gravity t squared. We'll call this equation 2. Alright, to solve this problem, we're going to use our initial speed of the football, which v of 0 is equal to 25 meters per second. The distance of the crossbar is 30 meters, and these are given. The height of the crossbar which is h, is equal to 3.1. We should make sure that this is x. And then the angle that is given at which the football is to hit, so that's angle theta, is equal to 30 degrees. First of all, the time that the football takes to reach the crossbar must be calculated using the equation of t is equal to x over v0 cosine theta. So when we plug in those numbers from the givens, we have our 30 meters, our x, divided by our 25 meters per second, times our cosine 30 degrees, which when we enter that in our trusty Calcula computer, I get a total of 1.3856 seconds. Alright, Now, to find the height of the football after the time of the t can be calculated by substituting the value of t in this equation, which is our y equals v0 times time sine of theta minus 1/2 gravity times square. And again, we can put in our numbers that are already given, which is our 25 meters per second times our time of 1.3856 seconds, which is then times the sine of 30 degrees minus, run out of room, gotta continue it down here, 1/2 times our gravity, 9.8 meters per second squared, times our 1.3856 seconds again, squared. And when I enter that in into my calculator, I get 8 meters. And that is our final answer.